Hey Sam Crack, how do you buy cars from Copart without holding some sort of special license or permit to do so? It's a question asked by you guys frequently, and today I'm going to answer it as simply as possible. I bought this Domino's DXP car from Copart for only $525, and you can find a deal just like it. In most cases, you're just going to need your driver's license and of course the money to buy the car you're interested in. In some other cases, you might need the assistance of a broker. And while this all might seem sort of complicated, it's actually very simple, and there's one awesome resource that's going to make this process super simple for you guys. Here, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Most of you guys already know, but if you don't, Copart is the place where I buy pretty much all of my project cars. We're here on their main site. Let me show you right on the front page. You see where it says no license required? If you click that, it will give you over 60,000 cars as of right now in their inventory to bid on for anyone out there. Yes, these are available for you to bid on as long as you, of course, have a valid driver's license and enough money to purchase one. Now, why are there some cars listed on Copart that have no license requirements, but there are some that do require a license? If we go here where it says support, this is where our amazing resource is. If you click on help with licensing, there is a map. And this map does an incredible job breaking down in layman's terms what is required in the state that you live in or the state you're looking at purchasing a car in. So I live here in the state of Florida. If we click it, we'll see this yellow traffic light. Now, you can pay some attention to this traffic light, but what I want you to pay most attention to is what it says to the right of the traffic light. In Florida, it says, without business licenses, you will need a broker's help to bid on clean and salvage title vehicles. And so that means I'm going to need the assistance of a broker. We'll get there in a second. If we go back and look at a state like Georgia, it's a little bit different. Most states have some sort of rules and regulations who and who cannot buy these cars. In Georgia, it says, without business licenses, private individuals buying in Georgia may purchase boats, jet skis, snowmobiles, and salvage titled items on their own, but will need to go through a broker for all clean titled vehicles. Now, when I'm bidding on a car at Copart, I typically like to find something that needs a little bit of work. So if I were to go anywhere here in the state of Georgia, anything that says it has a salvage title. Let's go ahead and check out this Charger right here. If you look, this has a salvage certificate of title in the state of Georgia. That means I can bid on it. So as long as it meets the rules and regulations of your state, broken down like it says exactly in the Copart map, you'll be good to go. One more time, all you have to do is go to the top, click support, and hit help with licensings. Will bring that map up. Or like I showed you already, just go back to the home page and click on that tab that says no license required, and you'll see every single car. But say that you find a car that you really are interested in and it's not available for you to purchase because of the laws in that state. Well, that's not a problem. If I go here in the Tampa, Florida area, and I'm really interested in this 2016 Chevy Camaro, with a salvage rebuildable title, I'll need the assistance of a broker. And that's no sweat because Copart, again, under support, has a list of brokers that you can use to help you purchase a car. Basically, a broker uses their dealer's license to purchase the car and then forward it to you or sell it to you. So there you have it. Pretty much anybody can bid on any car or vehicle on Copart's website, no matter where it's located. I've went ahead and I've linked that Copart map in the description box below, as well as the broker that I personally use and my email in case you have any questions about the buying process through Copart. Thanks a whole lot for watching, and I will catch you very soon.